Inorder Traversal visits a binary tree in left, root, right order. We'll implement it iteratively using a stack. The method takes the root of the tree. We create a result list to collect values, a stack to simulate recursion, and a node pointer starting at the root. The outer loop runs while the current node is not null or the stack is not empty. So we keep going until we've processed every node. Inside the loop, we go all the way left. While the node is not null, we push it onto the stack and move to its left child. That way we reach the leftmost node first. When we can't go left anymore, we pop from the stack. That node is the next one in inorder order. We add its value to the result list. That's the visit step. Then we set the node to its right child. If it's null, the next iteration will pop again from the stack. So we're simulating the same order as recursive inorder. Left subtree, then root, then right subtree. We repeat this until the stack is empty and the node is null. The result list then contains the inorder sequence. For this tree, that gives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you found this helpful, please follow us for more coding and data structure videos. Thank you for watching.